What's she doing? Alright, buddy. You gonna go upstairs? Oh, Mickey, careful. Careful, bud. Oh, goodness gracious.
Come here, Lucy. Come here. Come here, Lucy. Here, buddy. Watch out. Come here, Lucy. Come here.
Oh my gosh. She almost fell over. Be nice,
Lucy.
Mickey.
Come here.
Oh my gosh. I think she needs help.
Come on. She's chewing on this.
She stopped for a snack.
The due date was February 23rd, 2007. So after all that work, I realized that it was a year late.
But yeah, but never too late to get big. So I hear you and your friends throw a big gift party?
We do. We started
Every Sunday?
every Sunday we have a watch party, and then after the party we plan what we're going to do, and then we're going to be doing big gifts every month for the upcoming year. And so.
Really? Okay. And so you weren't doing it to be on TV?
No.
Obviously. Yeah, because I can see who's that with.